in the game, a one-piece game, AUT. Haki is a special power that helps players become stronger. Here's how to get Haki step by step. First, you need to reach a certain level. Make sure that you're at least level 100. This level allows you to start training for Haki. Next, you have to find the right NPC, non-player character basically, to teach you. So look for the Haki trainer in the game. They are usually found near the main areas where players gather. Once you find the trainer, talk to them. They're going to give you a quest. Now, completing this quest is important. It often involves defeating enemies or collecting items. So after you finish the quest, return to the trainer. Okay? Okay? Now, if you've done everything right, the trainer will teach you Haki. Okay? And there are different types of Haki, like Observation Haki, which basically helps you sense enemies, and Armament Haki, which makes your attacks stronger. So to use Haki, make sure you practice and level it up. Now remember, getting Haki takes time and effort, so don't give up. Keep playing, complete the quest, and soon you're going to be powerful with Haki and AUT. All right. So leave me a comment, something that might help somebody else. Let me know what you had for breakfast, whatever you want. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.